Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're gonna be talking gaming on the Hisense U7K 4K mini LED TV. And I gotta say, I've been testing out gaming on this TV right here, and the gaming experience has actually been pretty good for an affordable TV like this one. If you're a casual gamer like myself, it's pretty much going to take care of all of your gaming needs. I mean, the picture looks great, gameplay is smooth, at least in my opinion. It does support 60 Hertz gaming up to 120 Hertz gaming if you do have a console like, you know, the PS5 or the Xbox, and then up to 144 Hertz of smoothness as well if you do plan on hooking up a PC to this TV as well. So the gaming experience has been great, especially when it comes to customization, because not only does this TV, you know, it doesn't just throw you into a gaming mode and that's it. No, they offer more options to choose from to be able to customize your picture settings, your sound settings to better fit your gaming needs, especially with this gaming bar down here. It offers a whole lot more to be able to really customize your gaming experience on the Hisense U7K right here. And then when it comes to sound, this TV has a nice full sound. It's got a nice deep end as well, especially if you're playing, you know, like a shooting game or even a fighting game. You're really gonna get those umps and, you know, really get that good low end when shooting the guns or anything like that, or maybe throwing a grenade or something like that in whatever game you're playing. This has a nice low end because of that built-in subwoofer in the back of this TV. So sound on this TV has actually been great as well when gaming, but let's go and take a deeper look into it. All right, so taking a closer look at the gaming bar right here. Now, once you do turn your gaming console on the Hisense U7K right here, that's when you will have access to this gaming bar right here to better customize your gaming experience. Not only are you going to be thrown into a gaming mode, but you have full customization with this gaming bar right here. So going over to the left over here, it's gonna give you three options. It's gonna show you your current frames per second, which is at 60. It's going to let you know whether your HDR is on or off, and then let you know whether your variable refresh rate is on or off. And then if you go over, it's gonna show you frames per second viewing. You can turn that on or off. If you do turn that on, it's gonna allow you to see what frames per second you're playing at throughout your game up at the top left corner of the TV screen. So if you're someone who likes to keep track of that while you're playing your game, you can go ahead and keep that on throughout your entire gameplay. And then you also have dark detail, which you can turn on or off. I personally like to have it on just to help me better see in those darker scenes. And then we have picture size, which gives you options like auto, normal, zoom, wide, direct, a 21:9 aspect ratio, and a 32:9 aspect ratio. Me personally, I like to keep it on wide. I notice most games that I've played so far have fit this screen perfectly when keeping it on wide. Of course, you want your screen position to be in the middle. You have FreeSync, which you can turn on or off, and then brightness, which you can turn all the way up to 100 or go all the way down to 0. I do recommend turning it up to 100 because I will say that this is not the brightest display that I have ever seen in a TV. I actually wish it was just a bit brighter. But yes, I usually keep it at 100. But you know, some games, for some reason, it will go down to a certain brightness. I always have to kind of pump it back up to 100. I do have that high refresh rate mode on, which you can turn on or off. And then you have a menu button right here. So if I click on menu, it's going to pull up the other TV menu. So you have your picture mode, which I do have on game mode, but of course you can always even switch that from vivid to standard to energy saving. And then you have gaming mode, and then sports, theater day, theater night, and filmmaker mode. But if you are playing games, you wanna make sure to have it in that gaming mode. And then you have your sound mode, which I do have on intelligent sound. It does make the sound louder, and it just sounds more full, at least in my opinion. But you also have late night sound, speech, music, sports, theater, which also sounds great, and then your standard sound as well, but I will keep it on intelligent sound. And then you have your game settings. Now, once you click on those game settings, it's going to allow you to adjust your contrast, your black levels, instant game response, which is automatically just going to be on, set the detection method of automatic low latency mode, which can automatically switch to a game mode. And that is just automatically on. I can't turn that on or off. You can turn FreeSync on or off, and then turn on high refresh rate mode on or off from here as well, not just with that gaming bar that we get down at the bottom. So as you can see, we get a good amount of customizable options to give you a better gaming experience, but I'm just gonna play a few games right here for a little bit, not really too much talking. I will turn the volume up so you can get an idea of what sound is like on this TV as well while playing games. And then you can just check out the overall gameplay. So let me go ahead and turn up the volume, and let's play a little bit of Apex first. Go ahead and turn up the volume to about 60 right there. All right, let's get this started. That sound is good. The speakers sound pretty good on this TV right here. Now, of course, my microphone is not going to do the sound justice on this TV. Like I said, it's just to give you an idea.
Optics here. Close range. Always better than iron sights.
Just want to go get in a fight. Whoa.
Our aim is clear. Enemies line up there. Search R.
Nice.
I am the new kill leader. Look how that works.
Oscar Mike, I'm spotted. Let's relocate here.
Replenishing my...
Fire! Down the target. Another one. Drop it like flies.
That entire spot has fallen.
Not bad, shooter.
Scanning the area.
Getting shot. Oh man, the sound experience on this TV is just good, especially for the price. Like I said, for an affordable TV like this, I mean, gaming is great so far. And as you can see, gameplay is smooth. I mean, the colors look great on this TV. The picture looks great. Like I said, I wish it was just a little bit brighter, but I mean, if you're in, you know, a room with decent lighting or in a dark room, I mean, it's gonna be more than bright enough for you. But if you're in a TV with tons of windows and super bright lights, you might want it a little bit brighter.
Marking our surroundings. Smoke deployed.
Next door. 45.
Small bullets from this bomb. Their weapon overheated. Broken enemy shield. That boat is born. Only Ben could make it in 30 seconds. I took an enemy's life. Well done, companion. One squad remains. Test winner. Fear not, companions. The ring is near. Calling upon meter 7. Smart bullets away. Smart bullet landed ahead. Very powerful hit. I'm overheating their firearm.
Oscar Mike, spotted. Here.
Broken enemy shield. Reloading.
Woo, all right, looks like we won. But as you can see with Apex, I mean, the gaming experience is actually very enjoyable, very smooth. Gameplay is really, really good. Let's go and check out some Fortnite. All right, so jumping into a quick game of Fortnite here. Let's see if we can get into a couple fights. And then we'll try a more simple game after this. Oh man. Go ahead and fight the bots just to get some action. I actually have never used this gun before. It must be new. It's been a while since I played Fortnite, I'll be honest here. Just gonna switch it out for a regular one. So far, gameplay is pretty smooth. Air gunshots. Another one. Got him. Oh, shoot. I'm just getting everybody in this spot. I still don't know where I'm going because I've never played this new map before. Gonna jump to a car here. For those of you who like to play race car games, all right, so there we go. Just a little bit of gaming on Fortnite. Just to check out gameplay. As you can see, super smooth. No latency at all whatsoever, at least right here in my experience. And I love the colors on this too. The colors really pop on this display right here. Let's go and check out a little simple game. All right, so just jumping into a simple fun game like Brawl right here. Nothing too crazy. Fun little fighting game. Now this is where I was talking about where that subwoofer really comes into play. Whenever you hit somebody, you really get that nice thumpiness. Sounds really good. You can actually kind of feel it too. Woo, got me. Oh! If you haven't played Brawl before, this is just a fun free game that you can download off the PlayStation Store. Got him. Ah, oh, killed myself. Well, at least I'm still in second place. time you get a hit on this guy. Oh, well, I got second place, but just a quick little game of Brawlhalla. Even with the simple game like this, I mean, gameplay is very enjoyable. All right, so there it is, gaming on the Hisense U7K 4K mini LED TV. Like I said, overall gaming experience so far, at least in my opinion, has been great on this TV. I mean, the picture quality looks great, the colors look great, the overall smoothness of gameplay has been great. Sound quality is enjoyable as well. You can really feel what you're playing. Like, the only thing that I wish was a little bit better on this TV was just that it could be a bit brighter. But again, for what you're paying, I mean, definitely worth it in my opinion. It's gonna take care of every casual gamer's needs when it comes to gaming on a big screen TV like this. And if you do find yourself interested in this TV right here, I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below. Thank you so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come, especially my full review for the Hisense U7K mini LED TV right here. But again, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.